Next is dietitian Joel Ferrin with a healthy and delicious recipe.
Chocolate chip muffins have got to be my all-time favourite vice. Mind you, I don't think I've ever met anyone who doesn't like a choc chip muffin. I'm going to show you how to make them with my secret ingredient, chocolate ensure powder, adding protein and 28 vitamins and minerals. For those who want a little extra nutritional boost, these muffins may help. It's a two-step process, and pretty easy ones at that. Simply combine 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of milk chocolate bits, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, plus 18 level scoops of Ensure chocolate powder. In another bowl, whisk 1 egg, half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of natural yogurt. Whisk the mixture until it's smooth. Then add it to the chocolate mixture and stir the batter until it's just blended. Next, fill 12 baking cups and fill each cup 3/4 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Remove from the oven and allow to cool on a wire rack. A great thing about this recipe is that it contains nutrients such as vitamin C, potassium, zinc, iron, as well as protein. To make my muffins, get your Ensure chocolate powder from PharmaSave, discount drugstores or Chemist King Pharmacy.